Hello, my munchkins. Today, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. But before going into that, you look in your room and see what and all you can see or feel. Can you see a table or a chair? Can you see tube light, fan, wall, cupboard? Can you see book, mobile, laptop, computer, television? What type of material are they? Are they something liquid or they are something solid? Yes, exactly, they are solids. Then look for water in a glass, some juice, milk, some cold drink, hot milk chocolate. What type of things are they? Bingo! They are liquids. Now, think about you have filled a balloon with air around you, or when you heat a bowl of water and you see some vapors going out. What are they? They are gases. Okay, so we have solids, liquids and gases around us. And these three are called as the state of matter. What is this matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Mass means some weight. Okay, but ma'am, air doesn't occupy space. It does. Whenever we are in a room, empty room, like here around me, when there is nothing, there is air there. There is a gaseous material there. Okay, so whether it is gas, whether it is some liquid or whether it is a solid, they always occupy space and has mass. That is why they are called as matter. So we have three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Solids, like just to see a table or a chair, they always have a definite shape. Yeah, whenever you want to move it from some place to another place, you can change its shape. It will be always same. So solids have same shape, same size. Yeah, you can't change its size also. And they have same volume. Means whether you are keeping them in a bigger area or whether you are keeping them in a smaller area, their volume does not change. So such type of things are called as solids. Examples are chair, table, anything. We are also solids. Now let's talk about liquids. So you do one thing. You take a small cup and a bigger cup. Okay, fill little amount of water in the small cup. Then transfer the same amount of water in the bigger cup and see what happens. Liquid actually change its shape according to the vessel. When it is in a small cup, it will be taking that area. When you put it in the bigger cup, it takes the cup's area. Yes, it means they do not have a specific shape or size, but they also have a certain volume. Means because you are shifting them from one vessel to another vessel, it doesn't mean they will change the volume. So volume will be constant for liquids, but they change their size and shape. So in whatever vessel you put them, they become that size. Like if you put them in a bucket, they look like bucket. When you put them in a water tub, they look like a tub. When you take them in a glass, they look like a glass. Yes, so liquids change their shape and size. Now let's see about gas. Water vapor, gases around us, air, yeah, or air filled in a balloon. They do not have a shape. You want them to put in a balloon, you can put them in a balloon. If you just want them to take in any other material, you can take them there, but they do not have a proper shape, they do not have a proper size, and even they do not have a proper volume. Okay, so they can be filled anywhere. That's why solids, liquids and gases are very different from each other. You can compress a solid. Can you compress a solid? You can just put pressure on a solid and you can change its shape? No, but you can compress liquids and gases. So solid, liquid and gases are different from each other, but very essential for us because we are everywhere surrounded by all this solids, liquids and gases. Okay, we will learn a rhyme also in the next video about solid, liquid and gas. Thank you so much, my munchkins. Bye-bye.